Airplane is a developer platform for quickly building rich internal tools for your team. Autopilot is an AI assistant designed to enhance your development experience on Airplane. Let's walk through an example of how to build a customer orders dashboard with Autopilot. Here, you can see the final product. We have a table where we can see all of our customers, and by selecting one, you can see all of the orders for that specific customer. Now, let's move over to Studio. Airplane Studio is a rich local development experience to help you quickly iterate on tasks and views. So, to power the dashboard, we have to set up two tasks that fetch the data. One task that fetches our customers, and one task that fetches our orders. Let's have Autopilot build these for us. Autopilot has the context of the resources you've connected, allowing it to build tasks that utilize these resources. Autopilot is able to inspect the schema of our table to write SQL queries. Here, you can see Autopilot is writing our task code and leaving explanations for what it's doing along the way. Once it's done writing, we can apply these changes to test them out. Great, let's apply these changes. So we can go into our task preview now, execute our task, and check that the output looks correct. This looks great. Now let's turn these tasks into our dashboard. Here, Autopilot is aware of the tasks that we just created and is able to integrate them into our dashboard. Autopilot is aware of Airplane's documentation and SDKs, allowing it to effectively write code on Airplane. With Autopilot, you can create and edit tasks and views, help you debug issues, answer questions, get immediate responses to support questions, and even explain your code. Let's apply these changes and see what our dashboard looks like. This looks great. Now we can deploy to production. Autopilot is now in public beta, and we're excited for you to build with Autopilot.